G'day, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me. So I looked into this little electrical issue and it turns out it's a problem I've actually covered before on this channel. The pins on XT60 plugs, or 30 plugs in this case, but we'll get to that. First, let's go enjoy my favorite one of the test flights I did after sort of checking everything. Then we'll come back, get into what I did and how I checked it and my opinion on what happened. Then that'll be that. Let's get to it. So that was my favorite test flight. You can see here that I've got the back has sort of got the protective coating ripped off, and I've got a new little piece of plastic here around the capacitor that I've designed, and you'll find a link down to that below to a Google Drive link to that file. You can use that if you want. It should snap on to anything of similar size with similar size posts and similar spacing as the Gecko. And it's I'd recommend doing out of TPU, of course. I did my checking and I didn't find any faults. How I did the checking was I got these clips that you can see here. On that noise in the background, you can see that. Clip them onto this capacitor line and this capacitor line for negative. Check the wiring, couldn't find anything. Did that for positive, check the wiring, manipulated, couldn't find any faults. No, just a solid meep. So, okay. Tried pulling, manipulated a bit, goes a bit rough. It was fine. What actually was wrong was something that I have actually covered in a previous video, and I should have probably been aware of, maybe. It's battery plug maintenance. Like, these pins on the XT series of plugs, they will push in and you will get bad continuity on your lines, on your positive and negative line where the plug interfaces, because there's not enough force. and generated by the plug, you know, the friction, and yeah. You just need to go in there with a blade, any old blade, just be careful not to cut yourself, of course, and push them apart. It doesn't need to be that far. When you push in the next plug, you'll push them back to that proper size, and over time, of course, it will occur again, so make sure you check it. Probably once every 10 flights. If that battery goes in easy, maybe pull it out and have a check. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Just wanted to follow up on the maintenance from earlier and sort of finish that story. You know, it's worth going through and checking all those things like I did, even though it was just the simplest thing that it could have been. Rock on, be well, fly safe. Yeah, I'll catch you around, and yeah, laugh at myself now. Peace out.